Hello, today we will guide you through how to buy crypto on Webull Desktop. In this walkthrough, we'll move from launching the platform to placing a purchase, keeping things clear and simple so you can follow along with confidence. The goal is to help you understand what you're seeing on screen and why each click matters. Begin by opening the Webull Desktop app on your computer. Sign in securely and give the platform a moment to load your watch lists and trading tools. If you trade on multiple devices, make sure you're on the desktop layout you prefer. It also helps to confirm your account is approved for crypto trading and that you have enough buying power available for the purchase you intend to make. Next, look for the search area near the top of the interface. Type the name or ticker symbol of the cryptocurrency you want to buy. As results appear, choose the one that matches the asset you're interested in. Take a second to verify you've selected the correct listing, especially if there are similar names or different versions of the same coin. Accuracy here prevents accidental purchases and keeps your portfolio aligned with your plan. Once the crypto is selected, you'll see its detail page. This view typically shows the live price, a chart you can adjust by time frame, recent activity, and other key data. Use this moment to confirm you're comfortable with what you see. Zoom in on shorter time frames to understand recent movement, and zoom out to see the broader trend. Pay attention to the bid-ask spread and any indicators you rely on. Remember, crypto markets can move quickly, so pausing to review the context is a smart habit before you place an order. When you're ready, click on Buy. This opens the order ticket where you can fine-tune the purchase. Choose an order type that fits your approach, such as a market order for immediate execution, or a limit order to specify the maximum price you're willing to pay. Enter the amount, either by quantity of the coins or by the dollar value you want to invest. Double-check the estimated cost, confirm you have sufficient buying power, and review any disclosures shown on the ticket. If everything looks right, press Buy on the ticket to submit the order. That's the full process. Open Webull Desktop, find your crypto, review its details, and click Buy to place the order. Take your time, stay focused on clarity over speed, and you'll make each trade with greater confidence.